Good evening, everyone. This is my first database lab experiment. The question for the first lab experiment is in order to create a table of with the showing the customer details, and in order to mention following attributes like customer ID, customer name, and customer last name, customer mid name, and customer first name, and the account number, account type, and the branch in which the customer is having the bank, and the email of the customer. And they said us to find out another table giving the details of the employee. The details of the employee will be employee ID, employee last name, employee mid name, and employee first name. And we've given the following commands to be shown, such as alter, like in order to add a new column called contact phone number, and modify the size of the contact phone. This will be explaining as one by one. And first I'm showing how to create a table for the following. First I'm going to create a table for the customer. As you can see over here, the following are the things to be mentioned: customer ID, customer name, customer mid name, customer first name, account number, bank branch, and customer email. So I'll start with create table of I've given customer details as the name of the table, and I've given the name to be column name to be number, which is not equal to null, and I've given customer ID in varchar because it can be either a variable or a character. And I've used a constraint called not null, and the customer I've given in the customer last name also to be in varchar. I've given randomly 20 will be the size, and I've given this in the this also a constraint as not null. Similarly, I've given for the mid name and the first name as also in varchar. And I've given the account number and constraint pk for the primary key. um, Account type also I've given in varchar, and the bank branch also in varchar. The customer email ID also is given in varchar. Here you'll get the table to be displayed, and in order to show the display the created table, you need to give the command as desc space the name of the table. For this to happen, I've created another table called as an employee. The following are done as follows. In the first one, um, I've added something in the first one when we are set to access this called as the add a phone number to the particular customer details. So that I have given this as alter table, in the which table I have to add the customer details, add of contact phone number, and the particular size. Next, as you can see, displayed the customer details too, and displayed the second in the second query, um, alter customer details, and it is given as modify the phone number. So I modified it by contact of phone number, and you can see you can get a table altered here. And then if I give again, you will get it as contact phone number of number of 10. And then the next one, for modify the size, and fifth one, add a not null constraint to the alter command. As you can see over here, you are given modify content phone number of 10, and a added constraint like not null. And next, add a unique constraint on the contact phone number column. Next one, as you can see over here, modify contact phone number of unique. And next, uh, drop the primary key on an account no column. uh, so as you can now see over here, table alter, add a constraint called unique. I've added a constraint called unique. And then the next one, it will be truncate the table customer details, truncate table customer details, and they get us a table truncated. And then You'll get the last one as drop the customer details. So I've given grant insert on customer details, and the grant is successfully done. Now we'll end this pool which I've started in order to get the saved file before. This is all what will be done in this one. Thank you.